Welcome today my exciting life in the BJMP. Samahan niyo kami for another community relations activity at kasama ko si Ma'am Ligawan, palabas na kami ng jail at papunta na sa provincial capital para sa breakfast meeting with the governor. At syempre hindi yan tatawaging breakfast meeting kung walang breakfast, diba? So isa yan sa most enjoyable part ng trabaho ko. Bukod sa you get to enjoy food, you also get to meet a lot of acquaintances. So yan si governor discussing customer satisfaction. Yun ang maganda dito sa Vizcaya, ang courteous at ang babait ng mga empleyado nila, sana all, diba? So ayan, pabalik na ulit kami ng jail kasi mamayang afternoon ay pupunta ulit tayo sa 24/7 Inn for the signing of marketing agreement between Villaverde Development Cooperative and BJMP Solano. So pang third na renewal na to. This is in support to the Enhanced Partnership Against Poverty and Hunger na program po ng DAR. So dito po, aside from Vildeco ay kasama din po natin ang Department of Agrarian Reform. Yan si Sir. After ng snacks, gawaan ulit ng report. Samahan niyo ulit kami next time. Bye!